Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. Today we will study the C language data types and operators. Let's start the video. Data types in C language. There are several types of data that can be used in C programming language. A table below shows the range of a value which these data can have when used in their basic form. Here you can see char is a 8-bit and its range is 0 to 255. Next is int data type, integer. This is 16-bit and its value is minus 32,768 to 32,767. And next is floating point, that is 32-bit, and the value of the floating point is, as you can read the value. Next is double is also 32-bit. Range of data of double is, you can see in this figure. By adding prefix qualifier to the any data types, the range of its possible value change as well as number of memory bytes needed. If we will add prefix, the range of data is changed, just like you can see char. Sign char is 8-bit, but its range is minus 128 to 128. If you see in previous figure, here is char, it is start from 0 to 255. But when we use sign char, its value start from minus 128 to plus 128. Int, unsigned int, its number of bit is 16 and it start from 0 to 65,535. In last slide, that is we use sign char and its value start from here to there. Short int, its value is 8-bit and its value start from 0 to 255. Sign short int, that is also 8-bit and its value start from minus 128 to 127. Long int, this is 32-bit and its value start from 0 to this figure. Sign long int, this is also 32-bit and its value start from minus 2 plus this figure. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in arithmetic operation and always return positive result. This sign we use in addition. This sign used for subtraction. This sign used for multiplication. This is for division and this is for the remainder. Assignment operators. There are two types of assignment in C language. Simple operator assign value to variable using the common equal to sign. Character, for example, A is equal to 8. Compound assignment are specific to C language and consists of two characters as shown in table. An expression can be written in a different way as well, but this is one provide more efficient machine code. As you can see, plus equal to 8, the result of its A is equal to A plus 8. This sign add 8 into A and save that result into a A. Same like this one, minus equal to, it will subtract 8 from A and save the result into A. And also static and also multiply equal to, it will multiply the A with 8 and save result in A. And same like for division and remainder. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement by 1 operations are denoted by positive, positive and negative, negative. These characters can either precede or follow a variable. In the first case, plus x, the x variable will be first incremented by 1 and then used in expression. Otherwise, the variable will be first used in expression and then incremented by 1. This same applies to the decrement operator. You can see plus a, it will increment by 1 and then use in expression, and in this case a is used in expression, after that it will increment, and same like in decrement. Relational operator. Relational operators are used in comparison for the purpose of the comparison to variable which can be either integer or floating point numbers. If an expression evaluated to true, a 1 is returned, otherwise a 0 is returned. This is used in expressions such as if the expression is true, then this is greater than sign. If we will use b, then a, it's mean b is greater than a. This one is greater than or equal to, it's mean a is equal to or greater than 5. This sign is used for less than. If we use this expression, it's mean a is less than b. This is less than or equal to. If we use this expression, if a less than or equal to is equal to, it means a is equal to a 6. The sign of explanation is equal to is not equal to. If we use this expression, it means a is not equal to b. Bitwise operators. Unlike logical operators being performed upon a variable, the bitwise operators are performed upon single bits within operand. Bitwise operators are used to modify the bit of a variable. They are listed in the table below. Here we can use the bitwise operator. This is bitwise complemented. A is equal to a b. It means b is equal to a 5 and a is equal to a minus 5. This sign invert the inputs. This one shift left, a is equal to b shifted by 2. If b is equal to a 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1, it will shift the data and store in safe and store in a. The result is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. It will shift data into left. This one shift data right. A is equal to a b shifted by 2. B is equal to a 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. A is equal to a 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 0. It will shift data into right 2 bit. And bitwise and C is equal to A and B. A is equal to a 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 and B is equal to a 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. It will save the result in C. And this is sign of the OR gate. C and B. It will add result A and B and save that result into a C. It will perform the OR operation between A and B and save that result into a C. Bitwise exclusive OR. C is equal to a exclusive OR and B. The value of the A is this one and value of the B is this one, and it will save result into C.